Hi, hello. Let's make a towel dress together. This one is super easy. You need 2 big towels, 2 hand towels, and if you want the matching bag, 2 washcloths also. All you need to know how to do is a straight stitch, and from there, it's pretty freaking easy. I'm going to try to do this audio in one cut to save myself some editing time. So fingers crossed I can do this. Okay, what you see here is me tracing a dress that fits me really well. I'm using dots to show where the dress ends and then lines to show where I should do the cutting for my seam allowance. This is a shortcut that makes life a lot easier because then you're not so worried about, well, what's my actual armpit depth and width? You just trace and go. After that, I needed to figure out how we would get those sleeves to affix to the body of the dress. So I did some tracing, some cutting, some praying, a lot of that. And then you pin the template to your garment, or your future garment, I should say, and you cut the whole thing out. So here I'm cutting the front. Now I'm going to cut the back. I'm also going to do a lot of folding and lining up and trying to make sure that things are symmetrical on both sides. That's what you see here, is making the sleeves identical. Laid it out, loved the way it looked. I'm definitely into this. So now it's time to start sewing. Oh, no, it's not. I'm still adjusting. So I'm going to fix this neck a little bit, make the back scoop down a little more, make the front scoop out a little more. I was making this dress for a friend and she wanted a boat neck, so we didn't have to worry so much about like making it a perfect circle. It just had to be a nice scoop. Then we sew together the shoulders and then we sew down the side. You can do this with just a straight stitch. I probably used an overlock because I like that one a lot. I feel like it holds the ends together really nicely. So montage of me sewing, montage of me cussing when I break a needle. And we just keep going, zoop, all the way down the sides. Ooh, new angle, zoop, all the way down that other side. Keeping those lines, or those edges lined up nicely. You should probably have it all pinned into place. Sometimes I don't, though. And then what are we doing? More zooping. It is truly the longest montage of zoop, zoop, zoop you've ever seen in your life. And I would like to apologize for that, but we've gone too far. Now I'm pinning the sleeves to the armpit holes. I like to do this by putting the sleeve inside out, inside the body of the dress. And then when it's attached, you can just pull it out and everything makes sense. That probably doesn't make sense yet. But if you watch, here I am doing all the way around the armpit holes. And then, maybe. Where are we? We are lining up edges. And then we are all the way around. And then you're going to hold it up. See if you like it so far. Do I like it? I think I like it. Now let's do the neck. Okay, hold on. Bias tape, necklines. This is the easiest way. You pin it to the edge with the open side facing the neck hole and on the right side, so the cute side of the garment. And then you're going to stitch all the way down that first little line, keeping it right there along the edge. Again, this is on the outside of what will become your dress. You're going to zoop, zoop, zoop all the way around, nice and neat. We love it. It's looking good. This part is so tedious because I want it to be absolutely perfect. I have this straight stitch foot on to really like help me focus on staying in that line. So once you make it all the way around, you are going to take it back over to your ironing board and you are going to do a little pressing. So here it is. I flipped it inside out and I'm pressing down the bias tape onto the inside. And then I'm zoop all the way around that edge on the inside. So now it is no raw edges, essentially. Okay, got it in place. I did one more press and then I added another stitch line right there where you can barely see it. I just feel like that second line makes it look a lot more finished. Now it's time for the try on. It's looking good. I want to add some waist ties. So I'm marking where my waist is, and I'm hoping that my friend who this is for has a waist in the same place as me. All right, yep, that feels right. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking bias tape and I'm running a zigzag stitch all the way down it, just to kind of reinforce it. And these are going to become my ties. They're going to go on the inside with just a quick little zoop, zoop, zoop. And there you go. Now we have ties. Of course, the bobbin ran out right before the last tie, which is the last step. That's the rule of sewing. Once you get that on, maybe now you're like, oh, do I want pockets on this dress? I don't want pockets on this dress. I would like to instead make a bag out of those pockets. I mean, out of those washcloths. So here's what the bag looks like when it's done. It's literally just 3 straight stitches and a zipper. Let me show you how to do that. So you will take your 2 washcloths and your zipper. You'll move over to your sewing machine. Put the zipper face down on the outside, cute side of your fabric, and do a straight stitch all the way down that very edge like this. Then you're going to open it up and do a top stitch, holding the fabric a little bit closer to the zipper itself to make it slightly more invisible. This isn't an invisible zipper. We just don't want it to be an obvious zipper. You know what I'm saying? Then you're going to take your first piece. You are going to put it on top of your second piece, face down, with the outside back of the zipper lined up with the edge of that second piece. And then you're going to do a straight stitch all the way down that second piece, flip it open, and do a top stitch just like you did on the other side. And then you'll see you've got a nice little zipper that works. Now you're going to zoop, zoop, zoop around those 3 edges. And then maybe you also want to go ahead and cut yourself a strap. I used some scraps and I just gave a couple straight stitches all the way down on both sides to reinforce it. Oops, at some point I stopped recording, but you attach the handle right behind the zipper and that's it. It's that easy. Oh, what's in the bag? What's in here? I can feel something. I don't see it. Where? Oh, there it is. I'm just kidding. But it's really that easy. You just make some sleeves, you make a body, you make a dress, and you're beautiful. All set. And the bag. Win-win. Okay, now, have a great day. I love you. Goodbye. A-do-do-do-do-do-do. Thanks for wasting your time with me. Waste more time by liking and subscribing and watching another video. Thanks.